Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and for this video, we are going to talk about how I use AI to plan my entire week in 20 minutes. Sunday reset system. So here is what most people's Monday morning looks like. You sit down, open your laptop, and immediately you're in reactive mode. You're checking messages to figure out what's on fire. You're trying to remember what you promised last week. You're building your to do list in real time while someone is already pinging you about something urgent. By 10 a.m., you've done 2 hours of work and none of it was the most important thing you needed to do today. That's not a discipline problem. That's a planning problem. And the fix is 20 minutes on Sunday, with AI doing most of the thinking. I am going to walk you through my complete Sunday reset system. By the end of this video, you'll have a template you can use this weekend to start next week with more clarity than you've ever had in months. Before you touch AI, you need to collect 5 things. These are the raw materials. The AI can't plan your week if it doesn't know what your week contains. First, last week's unfinished business. Not a therapy session, just a quick scan. What did you commit that didn't happen? What carried over? What takes 2 minutes and stop things from falling through the cracks indefinitely? Second, your confirmed commitments this week. Meetings, deadlines, deliverables you've promised. Hard calendar entries. These are non negotiable constraints that the AI needs to plan around. Third, your top 3 goals for the month. Not the week, the month. This forces you to plan individual weeks in the context of a bigger direction, not just in reaction to whatever's in front of you. Fourth, your energy and constraints. Anything that affects your capacity. Travel on Wednesday, a difficult conversation you have, recovering from a big event. AI can see your personal context unless you give it. And fifth, your wild card. One thing you genuinely want to make progress on that usually gets pushed off. A passion project, a long overdue strategic decision, something that matters but never feels urgent. This one entry every week is how those things actually move forward. Now, you have 5 inputs. Here's the prompt. You paste all 5 in and then you say, based on these inputs, build my weekly plan. Include a ranked priority list of no more than 7 items, a suggested time block, structure for each day, and decisions I should make in advance to avoid midweek confusion, and a one sentence intention for the week. What comes back is a genuinely useful, not a generic productivity tip, a plan built from your specific constraints, goals, and context. It takes about 90 seconds for Claude to generate. You spend 5 minutes doing it. Reading the AI output is not passive. You're looking for 2 things: anything it got right that you would have missed, and anything that needs adjustments because the AI didn't have full context. Maybe it scheduled a deep work block on Thursday, but you have a dentist appointment at 2 p.m. Fine, tell it. Move that block to Tuesday morning and shift the client follow ups to Thursday afternoon. It adjusts instantly, no friction. The goal is a final weekly brief, a single document you can open on Monday morning that tells you what to do, what matters most, when to do it, and what decisions are already made so you don't have to make them under pressure. The brief only works if you actually open it on Monday, before you open anything else. I know that sounds small, but the sequence matters enormously. Brief first, email second, plan active, reactive mode second. Then, at the end of each day, 5 minutes, not 20, you do a micro recalibration. What actually happened? What shifted? What you need to adjust for tomorrow? You tell Claude. It updates the brief. The week stays live, not static. After 8 weeks of this habit, your week starts to look different. Not because you're working harder, because you're starting from clarity instead of chaos. So that is the Sunday reset system with all five fields and the planning prompt pre-built. Don't forget to subscribe to Build with AI for more videos. See you on the next one.